Okay, just to get you an idea how to start with C4D capsules, let's start, just playing with some extrusions. For example, I have here a plane. I will open here in the asset browser and I will type extrude, which is already typed there. And I will add the extrude here in my object manager. As you can see here, the selection string here for the extrude is set to default, which means that it will get the previous selection. What I want to do here, let's convert it like this. Why? Because I want to use this setup mixed with fields, right? So to do that, I will just grab and create a selection, like selection tag, and I will use fields, right? And here I can delete the freeze layer, and we can use, for example, the shader field, right? The shader field allowed me to add a texture as a source for the, let's say, the mask here in my selection set. So here I will add a noise, for example, but you can add any kind of geometry, any kind of image there. I will use the noise, and as you can see, nothing changed there, because actually it's changed because now it's getting the active selection in the extrusion. Right, but this is not what I want. What I want is to use this selection tag here. So we're gonna select the extrusion. Let's delete this, and let's call it the name of this tag here. Let's call it 1, and then in extrude, I will just add quotes and say 1. And as you can see now, I have a random, kind of random, but it's not random because it's a noise. So here I can increase the size of the noise, and that's it. I can change the animation speed. The thing is, the animation speed here in the shader field needs to refresh the frame, and then we have like this. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to do this kind of thing. And for example, let's imagine now that we want to subdivide the resultant frame, the resultant polygons here. I can use the same, I guess, I can use the same selection here, and let's add a subdivide below the extrude, right? And as you can see, it's subdividing the selection set, the active selection set. But in this case, I want to do the same as I did here. So let's just press C, copy this, paste here. And as you can see now, only the extruded ones are being subdivided. And I can, for example, smooth only them, and I can, subdivide more. And yeah, this is the power of the capsule system. You can use, for example, if you have multiple selections, you can use, for example, mathematical operations here to, remove something from your selection, or, this kind of thing can be done. So this is a quick example, and I'm sure that you will find out a bunch of new use case for it. Yeah, enjoy it and have a nice day. Bye bye.